Good morning, everyone. I moved to another place finally, and this place is for hiking. I want to go for a little hike to the mountain. I believe it will be this mountain, and I find this place to park. It's some kind of fishing boat place. So yeah, now we go to hiking, and that will be awesome because weather is so nice, but it could be so bad like in 15 minutes because that's in Norway. Let's go. And I'm here on the very top of the mountain. Woo! Look at that view. It's so windy up here and wind is so cold. But I'm here. I hope you hear something with my mic. And yeah, I think it's about maybe 600 meters top. And it took me 1 hour and a half climbing, but I'm super tired, but it's super cool out there. Look at this view, and that view, and this one, and here it's like 360 view. Okay, I will go down a little because it's super windy there, and have some tea and sandwiches. Woo! It's crazy! Hello, and it's a next day again. Damn, I need to stop doing that. I just shot half of the day and not shoot anything other half of the day. But yesterday it was a great hike. I was really exhausted, which is super nice. I was 4 hours on a hike and had a very great tea with sandwiches there. It was pretty cold on the top. Today, though, I on a very nice parking lot. It's not parking lot, it's a wild camping. Real wild, because it's no one there. It was two camper vans here yesterday, but they left in the morning, and now I'm all by myself staying here, and it's a beach camping. See how beautiful is that? And it's so warm today. I think it's about 15 degrees, which is very nice for the north of Norway in end of August. Yeah, I even thought about maybe swimming, but yeah, it's a little cold. I'm not sure I will do that. And I'm not sure what I will do in general, because yeah, weather is nice. I fly a drone there too. It's very beautiful place, and it's basically no wind today, which is great for drone flying, so I had no problems today. Yeah, I don't have any plans. I have plans for tomorrow. I will go and meet one of my Instagram subscribers. He is interested in van conversion, so he asked if we could meet and chat about Norway, and he will see my van conversion, so why not? He is on my way to the north of Norway, so yeah, it will be nice to meet someone. So, but that will be tomorrow, and for today, I don't know. I will find what to do, and will update you there. And it's already 6 p.m. and I basically did nothing. I will go to my next stop. I find a place in Parkfanite app again, and yeah, I will go there. It's a 2.5 hours ride. It must be a very nice place to stay, and it will be enough adventures for me for this day. And I reached my destination. It's a very nice place. It has a big gravel parking, picnic tables, even with the roof, and toilet, and a little small beach there. And the view of the fjord. I don't know what the fjord it is. I didn't look, but it's a very beautiful fjord. It's so open view here, and this place kinda near the city, and the closest house it's not so far away, but I feel I will be good because it's a kind of official place to stay, and it has no signs of no overnight parking or something, and it has many reviews in the app, so I think it's fine. And yeah, I thought today it's a month. It's a month when I left my city and go to a trip. So yeah, I'm a month in a trip and I'm still going away from my country, from my city. Yeah. So I will go to make some dinner because I didn't eat anything today after the breakfast, and yeah, I will go to sleep. And tomorrow I will meet my Instagram subscriber, which is nice. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Yeah, morning is really good. Look at that weather and this view. So it's not very sunny, but it's very clear, not windy, warm. And I find out that this town, this village, I can say, because it's about 1,000 people only lives there, and it's kind of insulated from all the winds by these mountains. You can see it's mountains all over the place, and it's not much wind here, and yeah, it was pretty nice sleep, and I'm still all alone on my picnic spot here. I already fly a drone before breakfast, before before walk with my dog. And what YouTuber do first time in the morning? He see good weather, he flying a drone. yeah, that was a good flight. And now I will finally take my breakfast, and then I think I will go to shopping because I need new groceries for my dinners. And then I will meet with my subscriber because it will be about 2-3 hours ride, and yeah, it's already about 12, so it's time to start the day finally. So now I am near the country house, like a summer house of my subscriber. Alexander is a nice guy. We talk for 6 hours, I think. We talk about plans, travels, and all that. Sorry, it's so humid that my lens is wet. And yeah, he gave me access to the water and shower. Yeah, a real shower. It was so nice. And also I connect electricity to my inverter. You can see here it's not so cozy and great connection, but it's just a wire going there. And but yeah, it works. My inverter, oh, it's so humid. My inverter charges all my batteries. I think maybe 1-2 hours. We have more to spend, and then I will go to Senja. It's a big mountain fjord, like island, really close to Lofoten's islands, and it must be great. So yeah, I very want to see that. Making some pancakes.